I'm going to give you my 15-day close playbook, and here it is for you. So really, by day three, and this once again, this is business day three, all prior invoices should be entered. Daily revenue entries should be tried to a North Star. So this way we know that we are accurate from the top down. Preventing the AP backlog from building. By day seven, we've run our variance report. We've had that key stakeholder meeting to talk about those variances. We've identified missing items. Who's responsible? By day 10, we should be done with our bank reconciliations. Our credit card should be balanced. Our payroll's posted and accrued for. The first draft of the executive summary is completed. By day 15, we are done. Final review and validations done from the above property leader. The period is locked and loaded, and financials are distributed on time to ownership. And there's really no errors here. When we do this 15-day close, there's clearer direct decisions, there's faster actions, and overall, there's stronger performance for you and your operators.